If you have not checked out the new games that are in Smart Notebook, you've got to try these. They can be found under this little alien guy under Smart Lab. When you click on that, you will see all of the different games that you can add, as well as a preview of each. But I want to run through a few of the games and kind of show you how they can be played. This one is fill in the blank. And you can type in sentences and then choose which blanks you want to leave. And then students would drag the words to the blanks and then check answers, and it'll tell if it's right or wrong, and then they can try fixing them. The next one is called Flip Out. This one is just flashcards, and so you'll decide what you want on the front of the flashcards and what you want on the back of the flashcards. The next one is Game Show, and it looks like a game show. When you click Start, it'll tell you to spin, so you tap the spinning board. Spin again. So to find the product U, and then you figure out what the answer is, click it, and you can earn points. And then the next team will spin. We'll go ahead and move on to the next game, which is the label reveal. This isn't really a game, this is more for note-taking and learning through the smartboard. You will put up a picture and then choose what labels you want to include. So for this example, I did the water cycle. When you click on the question marks, it'll reveal the label you included, and you can also include a description with them as well. So this would be great for note-taking and for review. This next one is called Match 'em Up. It's a fun game. You are trying to match this card with this one. And so you'll drag it over. If you get it right, then the knight is able to fend off the dragon. And if you get it wrong, then the dragon burns the knight. And there's other setups that you can do as well, so it doesn't have to be the dragon and the knight playing. This next one is called Rank Order. I chose to do mine going A to Z. You can reverse it, you can label these so that it's highest to lowest or vice versa, and you are just dragging the words into the right order. So for mine, I'm wanting them to do it in alphabetical order. And then once you've done all of it, you can check. And you can also set it up so that it'll check as you drag each one over instead of waiting until the very end. This one is called Speed Up. So it's a race. I'm going to start with just one racer, and you can choose which character you want. It counts down. And as they get to the curves, it'll pop up with a question. I have mine set to 15 seconds. They'll select what they think the correct answer is. If it's wrong, then they spin out. And if they answer correctly, then they would speed up. This one is called Super Sort. So you decide what two categories you want. For this one, I did nouns and verbs. And then students would drag these where they think it belongs. If it's incorrect, it'll bounce back. Again, just like the other one, there are different backgrounds and themes that you can do with this. There's also a couple that require students to have devices. One of those is the monster quiz. Whenever you are setting this up with students, they would sign in to classlab.com, and then this would be the class code, and then students would be answering the questions from their device. And there are, I think, 3 that can only be used if you have student devices, but any of these, for the most part, can be used by students individually on their own device. They'll just need to go to classlab.com or hellosmart.com and put in the code. And if you would like more information about that, just let me know.